Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how you can find your API key in Airtable. It is very simple. All you have to do is on the top right corner there is this account button. You have to click it and then you have to go to Developers Hub. Alright guys, once you are in Developers Hub, all you have to do is under Developers there's an option called API key. You have to click it and there you can get your API key, but as you can see it says that API keys are deprecated, and as of February 1, 2024 Airtable API keys are deprecated and can no longer work. So instead of using an API key, you might migrate to personal access tokens, which will allow you to more securely grant API access to Airtable data. So what we can do is we can create a token. It will basically work like an API key, but it will be more secure, and Airtable is recommending this, and they have added API key. So to create a token, this is very simple. There's a button called create the token. You just have to click it and it will generate a token for you. By the way, there is this personal access tokens option here as well. You have to press create token and then you can enter any name. Let me add ABC. You can add a scope, so and you can add a base in which you want to add this token to or associate this token with, and then you have to press create token, and as you can see the token has been created. So you can copy this token by pressing this button and then you can press done. So the token basically works like an API key, as I've told you, but it is more secure, and Airtable has ended their API key, so now you should use access tokens to do all of your API work. So this is how you access your API key or access tokens in Airtable. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.